Hey guys, Grand Rising. Today is Tuesday, December 28th, and I have a very big interview today. I've been interviewing with a brand for a job, and today is my third and last interview, and I feel like the job is mine, but I'm still a little nervous. I can't even lie. But give it all to the universe and trust in the universe. So it's at 10 o'clock, so I have like an hour and some change. It's a phone interview, so I don't have to really like spruce up or anything. But I just need this, okay? Let me show you something that excited me this morning, or this AM. I had no idea there was a baby growing. And it's been growing for a minute, and I never saw it until this morning. Look at it. Just when I think I'm doing bad as a plant mom, they keep growing. Yay. Okay, guys, so I went back to mom's yesterday because I told you I needed to get my Dr. Barnes, right? So I got the lavender, hemp lavender. This is the size I wanted. They did not have that size in the rose. So I got the miniature hemp rose. Look at the difference. This is gonna go so quick because it's just gonna go so quick, I know. And I needed some more hand soap because that's almost done. So I got this hand soap in frankincense and myrrh. I have no idea what it smells like. I did not smell it. Let's smell it. That's nice. Oh, that's so good. Oops. And lastly, I got these fire shots. Fire brew and moon brew. One is for renewal, hibiscus, and one is to uplift and strawberry, apple cider vinegar tonic. So, enjoy 1 tablespoon per day. Y'all can't even see. Enjoy 1 tablespoon per day as part of a daily ritual, or 2 to 3 times for an extra boost. Take straight, mix into beverages, or splash on food. Oh, and to think, I thought this was a shot. So take 1 tablespoon a day. Okay, we're gonna try both of them out today. Oh, here goes this ladybug again, falling in the water for the ancestors. And I be thinking that they're drowning. So I saved the last one. I don't know if they're swimming or if they're drowning. I thought I saved the last one. And then the joint had me all types of effed up because it wasn't moving. I thought it was dead. And then apparently it was just drying off for hours. And then it just started flying all erratically. It's staying in there. No. Because first of all, y'all fly. How do you fall in water? No. I'm not doing it again. Y'all will not have My nerves all over the place. No. 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 Y'all, my interview is in 3 minutes. I have to call this lady in 3 minutes. I meditated. I did some energy movements. Let's go. Steam. I don't even know why they put flavors on these, because all you taste is apple cider vinegar. Baby, this stuff is strizzling, okay? I think I'm good for the week. We only doing this once a week. This thing say 2 as a daily ritual, 1 tablespoon per day. Oh, hell no. Maybe we'll do every other day. Because that right there, whew.
I'm taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much better. And I deserve a chance at new love. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're good as hell. I got ahead of myself. Finishing races will never begin now. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fun as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush, crush. Don't worry about it. Don't need to figure it out.
Diet Pill Company, the food drink, and the other, I was the regional manager of a small paper supply company called Thunder Mifflin. Never heard of it. In this dream, I did both.
I don't have a choice. I'm trying to figure out, I'm debating on whether or not to book a hotel room to the Marriott on the other side of the shopping center behind, the water where the Giants.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year, guys. Today is January the 4th, 2022. And I am in a hotel for the second night. Well, last night I came, the second night in a row. This has been an interesting 2 days, okay? First of all, I came to this hotel on Sunday night, January 2nd, because we had inventory at the store at 3 a.m. yesterday morning. So instead of me driving all the way home, they put me in a hotel. Sunday, there was word of a snowstorm coming. We figured we'd be out of inventory by the time this whole thing started. No. By the time we were done inventory completely, there was like 4 inches of, no, 6, 7. There was a lot of inches of snow. The snow was like to midway up my leg. I've been trapped here in Waldorf. Not happy. I mean, I'm kind of over it now, but I really just want to get home. So I had to come in this hotel again. Sorry, I had a call. Yeah, so I'm trapped here until further notice. I was about to get up and get in the shower so I can walk back to the store to see if I can get snow and stuff off my car and see what the parking lot looked like because it was trash yesterday. But that phone call just told me that the parking lot is like an ice rink and I don't need to leave this hotel until like the sun is out and it's a little warmer and it's melting ice, so like 10 o'clock. And that just was not what I wanted to hear because I really want to get home. I don't want to be out here. I don't want to be out here on a good, nice, beautiful day, let alone right now. But I did edit 3 vlogs. I mean, what else was I gonna do? I edited 3 vlogs. So you'll see all 3 of those before this one. I was trying to get all this footage out before the new year, so this vlog right here would be the actual first video of the new year. But I've been recording and recording and recording. Like, I have footage for days, so this is not the first video that you'll see in the new year, but it is the first video in January. And it's a snowstorm. Oh, let me show you. Yeah. So I'm still about to get dressed, about to get in the shower, because I don't want to be any more comfortable in this space. And yeah, you guys will be with me, see how this day goes. I just want to get home.
And I want my
And I want that brand to call me and tell me when I start this job. That's all I want for today. And some steak and some wine. That's it. I just want to get home. I want them to call me. And I want some steak and some wine. And that's it. That's it. That's all I want for today. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Now look at my car. Look at my car. Oh, shit. Look at my car. And it's so much ice under it. Oh, my God. I made it home. I look a mess. Ignore me. Oh, yeah. I'm about to finish this coffee. I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna get in the shower. I'm going to exfoliate because it's the first, well, it's the beginning of the month. I usually do it the first of the month. I'm gonna exfoliate my whole entire body and my face. I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to twist my hair. And then I'm going to eat and drink some wine. I don't know what I'm going to eat because I didn't go to the store and I thought my brother would be here to take me to the store. I want some peppered steak today. So maybe I'll go to the store after I do my hair myself. Oh my goodness. Look at me. I'm just thankful to be home. Thankful to my spirit guides, my ancestors. Y'all got me here. Y'all heard me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I need to sage myself and regroup. I have to do my nails. I have to do my toes. Today's just all about getting myself back together because I just feel like a mess. Okay, let me go.